So this is Dan of Vagabond Awake. Today we're talking about what 100,000 YouTube subscribers pays per month. It's going to vary, but for me, I'll tell you about my channel. I just hit 100,000 subscribers, as you can see here. And so let me just look at there's two sources of income I have. One is YouTube, and here's what YouTube has paid me. March, it's not the end of March yet, but I'm at 3,377. That's dollars. Last month in February, 1,675. January of 2023, 2411, and in December of 2022, just a few months ago, was made $4,993 paid to me by YouTube. There's another part of income I have. I have what's called an information business. Most YouTube channels are focused on a niche. My niche is Retired Cheap in Paradise. These are my Retired Cheap in Paradise reports, which you can find at vagabondbuddha.com. When people watch my channels or my videos, you'll hear me say things like click the link in the notes below the YouTube video. That will take you to my webpage, vagabondbuddha.com. So what am I making there? Let's peek here. December of 2022, just a few months ago, made $13,884. February or January, sorry, 2023, $7,903. February, $1,576, and so far in March of 2023, made $5,386. And so what does that look like for totals for each of those months? For March so far this month, $8,620. In February last month, $3,261. In January 2023, $10,314. And in December, I made $18,877. Okay, so I talk about my niche. This is Vagabond Awakes, my YouTube channel. My niche is Retired Cheap in Paradise, so I make videos about that. I travel around the world and retire early 2021, monthly reports on cost of living and all sorts of videos about that. I've been to 67 countries over the last 16 years, and I make videos as I travel around. That's my niche. It's what I'm an expert at. It's what I know a lot about anyway. I don't know if I'm an expert or not, but that's what I write reports about. At the end of each video, I say, click the link in the notes below the YouTube video. And so like this was a December video I did. Partway through the month, I made about 14,000. By the end of the month, I showed you what I made. Click the first link in the notes below the video. If you click that, it'll take you to whatever web page has the information about that video and all the links I talk about in the video. That's how you get to all the links I talk about in the video. Also, I'll talk about get a free ebook, How to Fire Your Boss and Travel the World. As you can see here, free ebook at the top of that Vagabond Buddha. And here is that web page. If you click it, you just put in your name and email and sign up, and you'll get on my email list. In the first few emails talk about how I ended up traveling the world like this, and all the ebook, if you read it, teaches you a lot of my best ideas about retiring offshore and how to slow travel the world, and all kinds of things, packing, banking, whether you should sell your house or not, all that stuff's in that ebook. It kind of teaches you what my knowledge base is. So if you're interested in my and what it is I know, you can think about being a membership. And then often the ebook, when you first get the ebook, if we're running a sale, it talks about that. And it'll drive you to my webpage, which has all of the countries I have reports on. And so you can read individual reports, like if you were to scroll down and say you were interested in the Philippines, if you were to click the Philippines, you would see all the cities I've been to in the Philippines, and you can download these reports as a member that talk about places to eat, where we stayed, why it's a great place to retire or not, just all sorts of information, each of these cities that we spent time in. I also have reports, if you scroll down, all sorts of other reports, like I have YouTube country playlists. I have planning reports that teach you everything you need to know, or everything I think you need to know about retiring overseas. Comparing countries, slow travel reports, so if you want to travel the world like I do, and then bonus reports, all of that's on the vagabondbuddha.com. If you were, for example, click the planning reports webpage or link on the vagabondbuddha.com. It would take you over and give you kind of an idea of the sorts of reports I write that are how to retire overseas, how to find love in Southeast Asia, best countries to find love, how to stay fit traveling the world. You can just scroll down and see all the titles of reports I've written. And then I also wrote a report. If you come over and click under courses, you'll see there's 2 courses I've created. I got an email from someone who said, Dan, there's hundreds, I think there's 200 reports now, including location reports and planning reports. And so this course teaches you how to use all the information that I'm providing, and it's included in a membership. Also, I got an email from someone who said, hey, I need to make a little more money online. How can I do it? So I created this course called the Hobby Income course that teaches you how to set up your the YouTube channel, the web page, and a membership. Now, people are going to tell you it's easy to make money online. Just do exactly what I say. The problem is that if anyone can go and do their course and they're not bringing any personal knowledge or experience of life to the information, anyone can go copy it, and that's where the real competition is, which I'll talk about in a minute. But if you're teaching something that you know about or something you're interested in and you're bringing something to the party, then your channel becomes interesting. And so that's what I talk about in the course, how to set that all up, pick your niche, and how to start telling your story, how to create information that people want to buy, and how to set it all up and charge for memberships and all of that. Now, some people think that the internet's become saturated and there's no more way to make money to do that, but that's what this is about. You see, there's 3 main of things that when you set up an information business online. One is your niche. Mine's Retired Cheap in Paradise. The other is your age. I'm a 62-year-old man. Teenagers are not interested in hearing from me. 20-year-olds are not, pretty much. Maybe in the 30s, 40s. But the main part of my business is people around my age, give or take 10 years. That are attracted to me because I'm traveling the world at my age, and maybe my view of the world is similar to theirs. So age plays a factor, and also personality. Some people will like me, some will not. And so there's a small set of people that will be interested in you because of these 3 things. The niche you pick, whatever it is, muscle cars, history, maybe you're into crypto, or maybe you're into investing, maybe you like to teach the guitar. So that's your niche. Then there's your age. They're attracted to you because you're like them. You have similar thinking, maybe even a similar country or background. And then your personality can be different too. And the subset of all those things is why, in my opinion, the internet's really not saturated yet. So if you wanted to join, you can just click on over here in memberships. There's 2. You can register here where it says registration. And then if you're interested in right now we're running a 50% off sale right now. So if you join before the end of March, you can do March 2023. You can do that. But we have sales that come and go from time to time. But if you want to find out more about what all the benefits are to the memberships and what it includes, just click the upper video in the upper right-hand corner of would be your upper right-hand corner of the video now, how to retire early in 2023, and find out about all of our services. Thanks for watching our video. This is Dan of Vagabond Awake, the YouTube channel of vagabondbuddha.com. Click it right now. Find out how to retire early in 2023. Thanks for watching.